Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Notion AI for fast. Open your web browser. Type in the Notion website URL in the address bar. Press enter to navigate to the home page. Locate the login button at the top right corner of the page. Click on the login button. You will be directed to the login page. Enter your email address in the designated field. Click on the Continue button. Check your email inbox for a login link from Notion. Open the email and click on the login link provided. If prompted, enter your password. After logging in, you will land on your Notion workspace. To access Notion AI, look for the sidebar on the left. Click on the Templates option. Scroll to find the AI section or search for AI in the search bar. Select a template or tool that utilizes Notion AI for research or summaries. Once you open the desired template, follow the on-screen instructions. Input your research topic or questions in the designated fields. Notion AI will process your request and generate the summaries or information. Review the generated content and make any necessary edits. Utilize the features to organize and refine your research further. You are now ready to make the most of Notion AI for your research needs. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.